Zurich, where the local time is 3 in the afternoon. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. When it is safe to leave your seat, take care when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have moved during the flight and they could fall out and cause injury. And before you leave the aircraft, please make sure you have all personal items with you, and remember, smoking is not allowed until you've reached a designated area. From all of us at British Airways and the One World Alliance, we would like to welcome home our customers who live here in Zurich and wish those of you visiting an enjoyable stay. If you're travelling on further, we wish you a safe onward journey. It's been our pleasure to look after you on the flight today, and we do look forward to welcoming you back again very soon. Thank you and good afternoon.